Larissa here, and today I wanted to share with you some items that I received in the mail. I've been doing a little bit of shopping and just bought some things and thought that I would share them with you. The items are from Amazon, TJ Maxx, and from ThredUp. So if you're interested in seeing the things that I picked up, just keep watching. So we'll start with the items that I got from ThredUp. The first thing that I got was these pants, and they're just some loose, kind of dressier pants. And I got these in a size large, and they're by Zara Women, and these were new with tags. If you know anything about ThredUp, you know that they sell items, some items brand new, some items gently used. So I picked these up. These happen to be new with tag. I also picked up this pair of pants, and these, I got these because I like the detailed buttons on the side. They kind of give me like a sailor vibe. And these were new with tags as well. And these were by Josephine Chouse. And I got these in a size 12 because I want them to be loose fitting. Again, these were new with tag. I'll also insert pictures of those. I also picked up this shirt, and this shirt was gently used, but I like the pattern, I like the color, and I thought it would be perfect for spring. And this is by Zara Women, and I got it in a large. And I like the little opening in the back. I thought that was really cute, a cute touch as well. I also picked up this skirt, and it's kind of in a creamy tan color, and I'm not sure if you'd consider this lace or crochet, but I really like the detail on it, and I plan to use this as a beach cover-up or a swimsuit cover-up. And I got this in a size large, and it's by Reba, and this item was gently used. I also picked up a sweater vest, and this item was gently used also. Let's see. It's by LARYSSA, and I got it in a size large. It's a loose fitting sweater vest, and I got it because I like the opening on the back. I thought that was really cute, a little different. And the last item that I got from ThredUp was just a long flowy skirt in animal print. Girl can never have too much animal print, so it's very lightweight, and I thought this would be great for just wearing around the house and, you know, just chilling around the house, I guess. This is by Bogu. I'm not quite sure if I'm saying that correctly. And I got this in a large. So those are the items from ThredUp. The next items I'm going to show you are from TJ Maxx. Okay, I picked up this sweater, and I really like this sweater because of the sleeves. I thought they were really cute. It's like a mustardy yellow color, but the sleeves are what really got me. And I got this in a size large, and it's by a brand called Sansuchi. I'm assuming I'm saying that right. And I really like that. And then I picked up a book, and it's called The Well-Crafted Home. And this book is by Janet Crowther. And I can't wait to dive in to it. Let's see if I can find a page for you all. that. Looking to get a little inspiration from this book. I also picked up the new Bohemians book, and this is by Justina Blakely. No, Blakeney. And let's see. I love everything about this cover. Let's see. And I also got it for inspiration. Let's see. So I can't wait to dive into this. So those were the things that I got from TJ Maxx. Now, the last of the items, there's just two, are the items that I got from Amazon. So we'll start with this, and I thought it was so cute. I got this for my grandson. They're just pajamas with little dinosaur skeletons on them. So that's a shirt, and these are little shorts. And so since it's heating up here, I thought these would be perfect to have here, so when he spends the night. So I thought those were cute. I'm looking for an additional pair for my other grandson. Hopefully I can find something that is similar to this, because I like to dress them in the same pajamas when they're over. So the last item that I got, another book, and I love this book. The cover of it, oh my goodness. And this is by Rebecca Atwood, and it's called Living with Pattern, Color, Texture, Print at Home. So I got this. I got it because I was so in love with the cover, and hopefully the inside doesn't disappoint, and it doesn't look like that it will. And I got this because I am very interested in adding more pattern and color into my home. So hopefully, you know, this will help me out. So that's all that I picked up. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.